Everyone. This is Emma Kim. Today I will show you a very useful the Python tool called Multicast Tester. This is what I made. As you know, multicast is the one-to-many testing tool, but usually there is no multicast ping tool. So, so I did make the sender and receiver. Actually, the base code of this uh, tool is from here. Let's go there. Here is almost everything. Almost everything for the multicast receiver and the sender about sending and receiving, blah blah. Over there, and also my code is used based on the Python 3. Now MacBook doesn't support the Python 2. I did use Python 3, and 2 and 3 is difference is about encoding. So very easily you can uh, like uh, you can run at Python 2 just to change the encoding. And the sender and receiver is tested on the Mac, Windows 10, and Linux. And but the Windows 10, those screens sometimes like freezing, even though there is nothing wrong. So when to put the enter, everything is okay. Anyway, so let's see the sender source code. Sender is very simple. A sender, there is a multicast IP addresses over there, and this is a kind of port or something, and blah blah. Everything is from the code. I don't know exactly what it means, but anyway. So and then the TTL. TTL is very important. Usually TTL is number one, but if TTL is number one, as you know, when the router or L3 switch did something routing, it's like every time the decrease one. So if you put the one, it is just on the local network. It goes over there. It can go over to the other network. So I just put 10, and then this is what I made. So I did put the sequential number to check so packet is something wrong or not, and sequence number and time. So okay, let's see. Where is the where is the file? Oh, I'm very stupid here. If I run the sending application is sent, and there is every time sequence number and the time is displayed. Here time slipped. So with the time slipped, I can control about the interval between the sending the multicast packet. Okay, let's go to the receiver. Multicast receiver is same based on this website, and Python 3 is used, and Mac, Windows 10, Linux. Okay. When the code is executed, the IGMP report is sent to get the list to receive the multicast packet. When code is stopped with Control C, IGMP leave, the packet is sent over there. Very smart. So one thing is over there is it will check about the sequential number of the multicast packet. So if the multicast is sequential, it means 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, everything is okay. But there is like jumping, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, well like that. The message is something wrong is displayed. So very easily I can check multicast is something or not. So this Python multicast receiver and sender is useful for me. Actually, someone give me some Windows-based multicast tool, but that was not for me. I think. Also, some like a packet generator, it shows up a result during the when I did test packet, like that doesn't show when the packet was lost. So I just make it. Let's go to the receiver. Receiver is same, very simple. There's like here multicast number and the port number, and here is the logic to check the sequence number. So from the message body, multicast body, I take out the sequence number. This is the data 2. If data 2 is the same with old value, expected, actually old is expected the number, it print okay. And if it's different, there is like a wrong message over there. And then finally, old value. Old is, as you say, as I told you, expected behavior number. Just add, just to increase. All right, and let's see the screen over there. Actually, this is actual screen of some machine. All right, here I run the receive code. First time, the over is something wrong, and then success number is something right. Fine. All right, stop it. Oh, stop, stop, stop! Please stop. When I run the code, there is like a membership report. So group the 224, 329, 71. So it started to receive the multicast. Here when I did Control C, the stop the code, it send the live group 224, 3.29.71. So this code works very fine, and this is from the like gateway. You want it because when the host is left leave, the gateway send to check recheck if it leave or not. Very simple. And another tip is over there. Linux uses IGMP version 3. I don't know why use version 3. I think the developers doesn't know about the network itself. Usually version 2 is enough. So when I test with you using Ubuntu 18, it as you see, it did use version 3. So I searched the internet, and then here issue here I can change it. So like I go to this one, and the version 2 is first to all interfaces, and then it start to use version 2. Works very fine. Very simple. This is a very simple tool, but very useful for me and the other people. So when I test the multicast on the wireless, on the wired, or sometimes for the streaming or the other multicast testers, it did work very well on the Mac, Windows, and Linux. So some of my colleagues said, "Oh, it's very nice," but I think this is not there is no session, no like a YouTube video for this tester. So I did make this video. And next time I will show you about the Cisco Nexus ISSU in service software upgrade, and that when to test multicast, I will use my tool. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye. This is Ame Kim.